This video explains how to engage with the collaboration tool in the RedShelf eReader. The collaboration tool enables the sharing of notes, highlights, and annotations. For example, when a professor is sharing annotations with students, or when students in a study group are sharing annotations with one another. Users looking to collaborate will fall into one of two roles: sharers, those wishing to share their annotations; subscribers, those wishing to view others' annotations. To share the notes and highlights you've created in your ebook, select Collaboration from the main menu and select Share My Notes. Enter a name for your shared notes and select Start Sharing. A group code will automatically populate. Copy this code and share with fellow users of the same ebook to share your notes and highlights. At any time, select Stop Sharing to revoke all access to your notes and highlights. To subscribe to another user's notes and highlights, select Subscribe and View and enter their code in the dialog box, then select Subscribe. Your subscription to their notes will populate underneath Subscriptions. To view their notes, select View. You can see that you're in a collaboration session by the indicator in the bottom right of the screen. While in a collaboration session, you're not able to create your own highlights. To exit the session, select Close Notes from the left sidebar. To edit your subscriptions, select Edit and delete your subscriptions as necessary. For additional videos, resources, and FAQs on the RedShelf eReader, visit redshelf.zendesk.com.